Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Motorola Razr 60. So first, scroll from the top and open the mobile data. Disable it and enable once again. Then on Data Saver, make sure that it is disabled. Then select your SIM card right here. Also, you can take the top half of a case, and right here on the bottom you can see the SIM card slot. So insert right here in this hole something long and thin, for example a needle, and the SIM card slot should pop out. Take it out. We have the SIM card right here. So now you can take a microfiber and brush this gold side a little. After that, just insert it back inside. And that's pretty much it. You can also restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.